Ganoderma cultivation here. So not only this Ganoderma grows in 90 to 120 days cycle. Normally, now the stage is like this. Normally you can see this will be the initial stage. Initial stage from this, from the 2 weeks we will be after 2 weeks we will be seeing the primordia like this. Normally small like this. We call this as a primordia. After this primordia will grow one after the other week. Within 90 to 120 days it will be growing to fully reddish mushroom. After completing fully reddish, this white yellow whitening will be disappeared in the matured stage. At the matured stage, we will be harvesting this mushroom. We will dry in the solar house and we will be powder in our grinding section. So that powder will be given to the Nutra coffee cosmetic factories. So here within 90 to 120 days it will be means one day we can get in 100 days, 120 days, 110 days. Based on the maturity, we will be harvesting this one after completely turning into reddish like this. So after turning into reddish like this, we will harvest. We'll dry in our solar house for 2 to 3 days. Then we'll make into small chips. Then we'll make into final powder.
GL?
So this one is RG.
GL?
GL will be similar, but we will be doing another internal process. That one we can't show you. This one we can show you. Both are same, but the processing will be somewhat different.
Stem of the Ganoderma is GL.
That one we will be doing separately.
टिश्यू कल्चर के उसमें
हाँ टिश्यू कल्चर नाउ वी आफ्टर at the initial young stages we will be doing tissue culture. We will multiply same again. The cycle will be continuous.